Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the background right now. I'm actually trying to make breakfast, but I just thought to say hello. And what I'm gonna do in this video today is basically show you guys 4 DIYs or 4 ways to dress up an oversized blazer, which those has been in for the past seasons. Yes, ma'am. So, right now in Texas, we are in a bit of a snowstorm right now. Yes, mama. So things might look a little different in this video just because I wanted to get a video out there. I'm crossing my fingers that I can get it. If not, I'll just double up next week if it's really that serious. So excuse my appearance. I'll look so much better in the next clips. But yes, I'm just gonna show you guys 4 ways you can dress up an oversized blazer. And if you don't like too much color, which you guys know I love my color, you can dye it down with some neutrals, which is brown, white, black, you know, and then just have a pop of color, or even that you can change out the blazer for a neutral as well. But no further ado, look at all that stuff up there in my wash, my kitchen refrigerator. But no further ado, let's just get on to this video so I can stop babbling. So outfit number 1, I decided to pair this oversized blazer with some neon pink stockings with a nice matching hat with my chunky heel shoes. And I decided to basically cinch the waist with a nice brown belt. And the reason why I did this is because you at least want to show a little shape, but you know, sometimes you can get away with it when you don't want to show shape. You can just wear it without a belt, but I thought it would just add more pizzazz to it. And nowadays you can honestly get away with anything, especially with mixing brown and black. So this was my first look, and no, I do not have nothing underneath, and that was really risque to not wear nothing underneath, but it turned out pretty so far. And honestly, you could wear this out anywhere. So outfit number 2 is basically more of a sporty going out on the go look. I basically paired my paper bag shorts with that I made last year, and I tucked in my turtleneck to give it more of that, you know, clean, neat look, and I topped it off with the belt that I had on in my last outfit, and yep, topped that off with a nice oversized blazer. And you might ask me, where would I wear this? Well, to the mall, going out shopping, running errands. Honestly, I'll go to like a parent-teacher conference with this on too, or even just to pick some boba tea up. For each his own. And my accessories, I decided to do some colorful yellow on the top of my head, and I paired it with some nice chunky shoes from Boohoo. So outfit number 3 is a bit fashion editorial, just because I don't know, I could just see myself wearing this on the runway, or like going to like be a fashion like magazine editor. But I basically paired the oversized blazer with a long satin leopard skin leopard print dress, and I basically layered it with a turtleneck, of course, because we're still in the winter. And to cinch my waist, I just used the same old, you know, belt, and I paired it with some really cute sneakers, which give it a sporty look that I wore in look 2. And I just used the same accessories, and that's my look. I really love it, and I just feel like I can go to a runway show with this look. And last and least, outfit number 4. So this is another sporty look that I really like, and it is definitely sporty. Because I used my Fabletics 2-piece workout outfit for this, and it came with biker shorts and a top, which is like a sports bra. You can honestly wear this look either buttoned up, or you know, leave it open just to show some skin or curves, whatever you like. And I paired it with those sneakers again that you've seen in look 2 and 3, I want to say. I honestly just used two shoes in this look video, and I basically just paired the outfit with a pop of yellow just because I feel like yellow, purple, and pink just, rings out, you know, don't know what it rings out, but it rings out something, guys. And I thought this was a really playful look, so I have my hair in two little buns on my head, and that's it, guys. And I hope you like the looks I gave you for this oversized blazer. So this is how it looks outside right now. Not too bad, I want to say. Honestly, I lived in New York for a while, so it doesn't really faze me. The only thing that's really affecting me and my family right now is the outages and the water that's here. Other than that, the snow isn't really phase us that much. It's just losing resources to survive, which I understand Texas can't sustain the snow because, it's not supposed to snow in Texas. But we're just making the best of it, and we're being safe and careful. And, all you guys out there, please be safe. If you're living in Texas, just be safe out there. I'm pretty sure this is over about time I upload this. Like, I'm crossing my fingers. But just be safe out there, and I know this is still gonna affect people just because I know there's been long-term damages that it's just, it's gonna take a while to fix. Like water, like I don't even know when I'm gonna get my water, but we do have bottles of water. But just stay safe out there, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Better predicament next week. Much better predicament. Bye.